Did pretty good today.
Oh yeah, not bad.
Melissa and Tom Willits run a commercial crabbing business, shipping blue and stone crabs throughout the Southeast.
Let's say if they want 1,000 pounds on Monday, and then they want another on Friday.
We got to make sure that we got plenty for everybody to fill the order.
Melissa takes the orders and handles the money part.
The good honey hole too, I see.
Tom handles the crabbing part.
This is a stud crab. This is what we catch in Steinhatchee.
It's been a knockout combination. It's kept them in business through the ups and downs for over 30 years. They employ most of their family and run a popular local restaurant
These are ones that we caught today.
that serves up, you guessed it,
And there's our blue crabs.